Hmm.
When I'm done sa incubator, next is
That's in the incubator.
after incubator, check incubator, and after incubator's done off,
Oh, you're okay na after that.
tapos done na, why not for injection, mommy?
No, you don't have injection there. Oh, that's you?
Wha- I'm not crying.
Yes, you're not crying. You're so brave.
In Taiwan, I can drink the from the round one and the bottle. I
Uh-oh.
can drink the
You're drinking in the daddy there.
big.
The milk of Inay.
No. When
Uy, the nurse said you need Inay, you get milk from your from boobs, and Kash needs to drink it. Oo.
I pumped the milk.
you foot boobs, baby.
Kash.
You should drink almond
Inay needs to drink and mom.
because that's the milk. Doctor said I need to drink almond because she might pregnant. Pregnant siya. Ma, I want to help you bake.